Hello friends, welcome to Inspire the World channel. Today in our channel I am going to share a message in English. I decided to convey in English since I thought the message should be reached to everyone. So whoever checks this or checks this video, just pass it to your friends and family so that none of you will do like this sort of mistakes. I thought sharing this is very important experience with you. So kindly listen 5 minutes to hear the video. The thing is, once a lady was doing her workout. After that, she went to take a shower. That the time was around 8 a.m. After cleaning the toilet, she decided to take bath. So she put some blue Harpic into the toilet and wash basin. Then she realized that the bottle got over and was not enough. So she opened a fresh bottle of Harpic bathroom cleaner, that is red bottle, and put it on the top of the blue Harpic. A few minutes later, she started scrubbing the toilet seats and she inhaled some of the strong fumes which came out. She continued with the scrubbing, and after 2 minutes, immediately she started coughing. By the next minute, she was coughing profusely. She was managed to open the window somehow. She kept on coughing, and her husband asked her immediately whether she needed some water. When he did not suspect it was something going to be bad. She was coughing continuously, and her husband then angrily asked her to come out of the bathroom. She was not able to breathe both from her nose and mouth, and within few minutes she lost all sense of logic. Somehow she opened the door and came out and went straight to the balcony to catch a breath. The coughing continued and she was sweating and panting for breath. She felt puckish and her head was paining badly. Things became worse and they decided to take her to the hospital. They put some water for steam inhalation. So after doing so that it was good for her. Around 9:30, after multiple rounds of steaming, she could sit in one place and take some breath. By afternoon, 12 noon, that is around 12 noon, she was able to speak normally. Breathing was moderate, controlled, and she could drink some hot tea. Still, her mouth, some chemical taste was there. So, around 4 pm, she was normal, though she had a soreness due to that continuous coughing. So, she was able to sleep normally at night. So, the main reason for why I am sharing this message is because I don't know, some must not do like this sort of mistakes. That is, you should not mix Harpic blue and Harpic red. Even though both are similar products, they have different chemical composition. So they reacted together which release gaseous fumes. So inhalation of this is very dangerous. Even though she did not have any history like asthma, shortness of breath, that is allergies, by inhaling these fumes, she felt that she was going to die. So from this, what we must learn is don't ever mix the two chemicals. Always keep the door and windows open when using Harpic or any bathroom cleaner. She was able to recover within an hour, but many may not. So make sure you consult a doctor immediately. Kindly spread this message to your family and friends so that no one else would make the mistake. Hope you found the message useful. Kindly share it with your friends and family and subscribe the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. So see you in the next video. Bye friends.